richer than Tom Cruise, yeah. So many different meds on me. Fuck around, call the Fed on me. Boom, 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 your head, homie. Reds, Draco got a lot of lead on it. You dead? Heal.
What's up, y'all? I'm just cooking some fried chicken, if y'all could see. Today is July the 26th, Wednesday. I'm not that high in spirits today, because my daddy called and said that hospice came in with my granny today and was like between tonight and in the morning she will be passing away. So I decided to cook some chicken because that's my favorite thing that she ever cooked in her life. Like, it was the best chicken in the world. That's everything that she like always make, and I used to love it. And I'm gonna really miss my granny because that's my only granny, and I love my granny. I used to always like make this little joke like, "Granny, I'm your favorite," and we would just laugh, you know what I'm saying? But I guess it's that time for God to almost have her all to himself. And that's kind of the part I hate about life and living. It's like, you love people that you will eventually lose in life. And that's the part that sucks. And even though it's supposed to be like happy and celebration because, hey, you know, they're homegoing, but it's like, my granny was basically the only person left in our family that keeps our family together or keeps our family functions going. The reason why we all still to this day come together for holidays. And I know, I feel like with her about to be leaving us, that it's kind of like, I'm not going to say the end of family because we'll always be family, but it's kind of the end of, you know, those holidays where we all spend with each other and we laugh and we eat some good ass food. You know, my fat ass holiday, I talk about food, but yeah, so keep my family in your prayers and I'll keep you all updated. But yeah, y'all, I'm just cooking some chicken and some extra odds and ends. The girls keep on asking, "Mama, is we done? Is we done? I want some chicken." But yeah, but I'll talk to you guys later. Shout out to Miss Tiffany. She did my hair. Yes, it's pretty. You like it?
Toda mi gente se mueve, mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así.
What's his name? I'll add on.
Tony.
What about that? Oh, I mean, all that good. You know what I'm saying?
Do you? You got you want Papa Roach there? No, but some white.
Good way.
My mama.
Gee, Mama.
At home.
You get the pretty greens on my back. Look at you.
What's his name?
Tony.
Oh,
Tony Truth. Mama. You make her say your favorite grandchild. What you got? What shade? You got some glasses on, girl? Who glasses on it? Mama? Oh.
What the little blue ones?
oh, that might have been her.
That might have been at birthday show. Yeah. That was my sister.
Give me a
I forgot that.
Yeah. I don't think you'll take them. I don't know if there's nothing else you want. Hey, yellow spoon. Oh, boy. Go, go.
Come on, take a picture on your phone, Mom. Take a picture on your phone. I'm gonna send it to me on here. Send it.
Come on, buddy. You should be up. What? What's wrong? Huh? What?
Mira dances that Rise Up song. My granny hair feels just like Journey. My granny got that good hair though. Probably right. Really, it feels just like Journey.
She said I'm flexing.
It was cute.
I just didn't like it.
Yeah, I know you need to.
Oh, you live by her?
What about hospital?
By the hospital.
What about hospital?
We were back.
Oh, shit.
Where you went back there? You answered the door.
Huh?
They were looking like me. Like we need to hit that track.
Where you went back there?
What's the matter?
Say that.
You ain't. I gained all my weight on.
Yes,
It's not winter. You didn't heard? You was in Chattanooga.
They are done.
Are we going to put it back there? Oh, yeah? What do you want? Stand up. Yeah, we're going.
What's up, y'all? I'm at my dad's house. We at oh, that's on my end. It look like we at Guitar Center, y'all. Soon as I figure out how to show y'all. Let me see. He has 40 guitars, y'all. Look at this. This ain't even all of them. Come with me. Let's go look at them. Let's go find the rest. Here goes some more, y'all.
Come find the rest.
My daddy loves guitars. He used to be in a band. Look at all these guitars.
What band, mama?
Him and his friends used to have a band. Look at all these pictures.
Show me the
Look. This is my daddy's dad. His pa. This is my papa, but I never met him because he died before. If I can get it to focus. Can y'all see?
Huh.
See? So that's my papa and my little handsome daddy. Y'all. But anyways, I had to show y'all those guitars because they're literally everywhere. Literally everywhere. Bye-bye, y'all.
Right there.
That's why it's so hard.
What's up, y'all? Can y'all see me? I'm not talking what's up, y'all.
On 4.
Is it recording, y'all?
I don't know.
I think. I'm not sure. Look at her. We was waiting for a call back to be in Tammy Rivera's music video. Because they hit me back and was trying to get my contact information because I had submitted her pictures and some little dance video clips, but they didn't call. But it's okay because it's going to be more opportunities. But at least they did reach out to me and was like, what's your number? After my submissions that I sent about her pictures and videos. Because my girl has some music video experiences because of me, right? But yeah, we ain't doing nothing, y'all. Daddy. Daddy. Say hi to him.
Hey. How y'all doing?
We don't like the music that you play. Oh my God. You don't even get the point. But you don't need to bring your phone. What's the point? You listen to music.
This bathroom is so cute.
Did that make sense? It doesn't make any sense. She running. She just said she don't like the music that I play. That's why I'm bringing my phone.
What's the point of bringing your phone if you listen to music in the car?
I said I don't like the music.
You know that music be loud.
You don't have to.
Make
You don't have to
sense.
like it.
Exactly.
Close
That's why
your eyes and relax. Close your eyes and relax. Yes, you can. You can.
You can do it. I believe in you.
You trying to be loud and getting me in trouble. What you talking about? I'm sitting in a chair. No, you know what I said you said.
You're so ferocious.
You ferocious with them roaches.
It's not ferocious.
I know that's why I made up. That's why y'all got. She tried to copy me. She
Okay. Remember about having a great
You
day?
wear your shoes. You wear your.
Open this door. Hey, open this door.
She gonna break my neck like
Have a
mama.
good day, sir.
Don't worry, you broke
Oh,
your
that's
shoes.
my butt bug. That's my butt bug.
I'm wearing it.
I could have did this.
Come on, Chunk.
We gotta get some sunscreen, most definitely.
Get on this road. I'm finna head down here and get in this water, man. Sometimes you just deserve a trip out to go do what you need to do. See y'all in a little bit. What trash? Why I gotta get the trash out when I say keep the trash out all the time? Just keep it out, then I won't have to get the trash. Ain't that right, man?
Right.
Hey, baby, you all over the place. Dan looking at it. Oh no. Oh no. It's not right.
Hey, throw this white. I think that white for me. What's up, y'all? Get your seatbelts on. Yeah, get some. Whew. I'm tired, y'all. My back and my neck was hurting so bad. I thought I was about to have to go to the hospital and get checked out. But the pain went away and we woke up and now we're about to go to Whitewaters. Have some fun because it's a beautiful day. I just want to have some fun and just be around my little family because it's been a sad few days. What key? To the house. The house key? Okay. Key. Get this key for them. Y'all know my purse junky and it's gonna take me 50,000 years.
May tell.
Okay, let's see. Here, talk to them so I can find a key.
50,000 years later. 50 more thousand years later.
I got it. Actually, I found it quick.
Let me go to the fans.
Here.
Thank you. What's up, fans?
Say what's up.
What's up? Y'all missed us? Hello? Okay. Today we are going to Whitewaters. We're gonna have so much fun, but it would take a long time to get there.
I'm so hungry.
And our mama so hungry.
I can't wait. What's y'all wait? What ride is y'all waiting on? I love the wave pool.
That's my favorite
But
thing. I love
I can't wait to go down the little, the little slides.
Do they only got water slides or do they got like rides too?
It's water ride, water slides.
Wait, you can see. Hey, good morning. Shut up.
Y'all better stop that. Give me that.
That was Journey.
Give me that. Green.
I say, hey, good morning. She told us to shut up.
What are you doing?
Cause I just want somebody who's interested in my body.
We need to say something to camera for you.
Bye-bye.
Let it talk.
Hey. Why you always holding the camera like that? Hold it like that.
Girl, let her hold it. Just let her hold it.
Hey, y'all. Say hey, y'all.
What's up?
We got to go to Whitewater.
This little mama right here.
That's a little butt right there.
Let me see.
That's the only way she could say.
Look, this is Journey
Right.
Here, let me see this.
Well, we'll talk to y'all when we get closer down there because we can't be using other footage. Okay? Get crunk. Hey, get crunker. Let me see y'all get crunk. Hey, make some faces. Hey, kill it. Hey, kill it. Hey, y'all killing it. Hey, y'all had the white waters on the way. Hey, we on the way. Hey, White waters, white waters, say white waters, white waters, white waters, hey.
Break down sushis with my thumb. And big booty bitches throwing ones. Do not give a fuck what niggas from. You're not the only one who got a gun. Nigga grew some nuts and now he clutch. Back against the wall while in the clutch. Jilled up, nigga got a cut. When it's time for action, why you stuck? I survive, bitch. I know how to dive. I know how to die when it's homicide. I could suicide diving out the plane. I will not reside riding for no lane. Niggas want a feature, they gon' holler gate. Niggas want protection, they gon' say my name. Niggas want some fame, stand on side of
I can see the snakes, nigga, you too late. I can feel the hate, they won't ever say. Everything I gave, never gave away. Did it out my heart, have a lovely day. Money in the way, fuck you in the way. Don't look around, just got a DM from me. You a drink all I ever drink from me. I won't tell nobody, I'ma keep it side. Taking down your body, never say about it. Feeling I'm living large. I'm a hell of a nigga, I'm still in charge.
Do a dance. Do the dance, run. Do the folks. Do the folks, yeah. Hit that sniffer. It's not recording.
I know you wanna love, I just wanna and girl, you know it deep. I got
Keep it real.
I know you wanna sleep. I know you wanna be with my BED and ride it slowly. I know you want love, but I just wanna. And girl, you know the deal. I gotta keep it real. I know you wanna see. I know you wanna pee. With my BED and ride it slowly.
What's up, y'all? We headed to Whitewater. We got our sunscreen all on. It's hot out here, y'all. It don't make no sense. I can't wait to splash into this water. Yes, Lord. You excited, bud?
Yeah.
Look at that. I can't wait. It's so freaking hot. Don't touch the cars, but them things gonna burn you like a flat iron. It's hot. Look at a little shiny self. Look like she been splashing into some Vaseline.
Yeah, I know that's little. I'm shiny too.
He keep calling her little mama.
Yeah, she is.
No, she's not.
Who is she then?
Look at her letting her hair blow in the wind. I see you. She gonna come back out looking. Look at what? I wonder is Robin Carr still right there. They say my friend Robin is out here. I didn't see her though.
She went in.
But yeah, let us check in and all that good stuff. We need to rent a cabin. I think we can throw them away. Ooh, let's check in. We about to leave the pool. Well, white water.
White water.
We came, we swam and conquered. Did you have fun? Those lines though was too long. They said that it was way more crowded than usual. And literally I believe everybody and their mama in Atlanta came down here today. And all the kids,
You sit in the background?
yeah. That's just a little piece of it. Everywhere you go is crowded. You have fun, Manny? No.
Look at what up there.
Baby,
This way.
you have fun?
Yeah.
But, you have fun? We don't want to go. It went all fast. We're going to have to come back again. It's crazy though. You spend $250, $60.
You only get to go on
And two.
3 rides.
We didn't even get 3 rides
You only got one. You only got one.
because the lines were that long. 1 ride. And a wave pool and a kiddie pool and lazy river. That's crazy. Almost $270 for what? For what? But we had fun. I'm not gonna complain. I'll check in with y'all for a little bit. Oh, look at that little girl. Well, we about to go.
It's 6:30, Mama?
Yeah, they already calling. They about to start closing it down. It closed at 7, but it's 6:30.
We got here at 2, didn't we?
Yeah. And we stood in that line. Well,
We've been here for 6 hours.
they need to let it last longer though.
But it was easy to come in, but when you get, as soon as you get in there,
It's crowded.
one ride only.
1 ride, literally.
You've been warm.
We went to the kiddie park just to get some type of wetness. But the wave pool was fun. But I mean, if y'all want to spend $270 to ride, 1 ride. Well, we are a family of. Well, we got.
You got to pay $100.
It was 5 of us.
Just to get the fast pass.
Right, and it's $100 extra for the fast pass, $20 parking, $20 for the locker. I spent me a good $290 today for 1 ride, but I ain't gonna complain. Who's a lie? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'll talk to y'all later. Ooh, what's up, y'all? We finally made it back to the car.
Now you can get the gigantic.
Why is it when you mess around with water, it drain you? Like in a moment, you be like, oh, I got so much energy. And then as soon as you make it like to the car or just to sit down, you like, God. I feel like extra sleepy. Look at Titty Boy. I made 2 chains, y'all. Just playing.
My legs are
Just playing.
My legs are
We wet. We didn't, y'all. We just don't ever be that planful. We didn't bring no towels. We didn't bring no extra clothes. It was really just last minute. But it don't matter. Those be the best times when you just go.
Crank that music, DJ.
When you just go. But we about to head back. We about to get some food, then head back. But hey, y'all.
Man, it don't make no sense how long it take women just to come on. Hurry up, women. We hungry. For 95 cents, you can feed any one of us. 2 hungry people. For $1.25, you can feed both of us at the same time. We can have a corn dog from Sonic. It's $1.25. To donate, hashtag Jimmy. Yeah. The fellas gotta eat too. It's such a sad moment right now. As we sit here and starve. You know. We hungry. You know, we just get like that sometimes. Just get like that sometimes.
And they always arguing. Why they do that?
Beautiful sale, man.
They just always arguing.
That's why I just be. That's why I be all up in.
Look at the difference.
You be what, Manny?
I be all up in my game.
Yeah. You real good.
Can I get a hug?
What's up, y'all?
I'm talking about these two today. Well, you better come on. Don't make
We about to go into Amigos. We just got back in town from Whitewater and we built up an appetite. I'm so starving. But yeah, let's go.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, thank you, son.
Hey, everybody. We eating your food. You want to see our food? But our mama and daddy food not ready yet. Or my brother and sisters. Bye. Hey y'all, and mommy and daddy got their food. Almost got their food, and my brothers and sisters almost got their food. They don't have it yet, so I'm eating my food already. That's what they get. And then
You bad. Y'all. Come on.
I'm trying to.
Gosh. Y'all take forever. Y'all, we about to just, it's Sunday. No, y'all taking all day. Y'all like y'all ain't hungry. I'm out here about to starve in these streets. Y'all, we just now about to get out the house. It's Sunday. Don't even ask me what day, because I'm really not even sure. Sunday something. Anyways, yeah, we about to go get something to eat. It's me and the girls. The boys is out getting some work done on James' truck. It's a beautiful day, y'all. Let me tell y'all, don't y'all know that yesterday y'all know we went to the water park. Don't y'all know that I woke up at 10 a.m. Do y'all understand that, how long it's been since I woke up at 10 a.m. because we always wake up at like 7 a.m. even on the days we ain't working. Let me just crap on my seat. How did it get here, baby? These girls take forever. I swear, they like little divas. It's taking forever. The camera looking like it's all. Okay, can y'all see me? It's a little blurry because let me see. It's a little blurry because it's so hot. Let me turn that on. But how y'all day going? Look at her. She terrorizing me. She's bad. But hurry up. Get your seatbelt on. Where's Sissy at?
Who's hot? My butt hot.
Yeah, it's hot. And this camera is getting all messed up. Cause it's blurred because it's hot. Hey. But we just about to go out until they come back. Miera starts school Thursday. August the 3rd. Then the following week is when the start. Oh, I thought Miera was right there. Where's Miera at?
In the airplane.
I've been in love with the rule. It's hot, y'all. It's hot. Say hey, butt. Whoo, you hungry, butt?
Yeah.
What you want?
Checkers.
Girl, I don't want no checkers. I'm tired of hamburgers and fries. I want something different. Where is Miera? Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna stop there in a little bit because I feel like the sun and the heat is taking away my energy and my brain cells. So, yeah. Hold on. Bud wants to talk to y'all.
Hey. Hey, guys. We always taking an update and we're hungry and we hiding this house. We gonna die. I don't know what she doing, but it's taking a long time for her to come. So, hey. Hey.
Oh my gosh, she's taking my thing. I'm about to pass out. Are you about to? She crazy, but we'll talk to y'all later. Ain't this right, but she's taking forever. Are we gonna ever eat?
I don't know.
Lord Jesus. Okay.
With my little eye, a girly I can get cause she don't get too many likes. A curly-headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye.